Hello everyone. Now similarity exercise 1.3 we are continuing. Question number 6 is just the same but we are solving question number 5. Question number 7 and question number 9 they are different. So to save the time I have already drawn the figure. So you can note it down. This is question number 7 exercise 1.3. What I have to prove is BE into DE into BE. BE into BE. DE is of this triangle. BE is of this triangle. Is equal to CE into TE. CE check of which triangle it is? CE is of this triangle, small triangle. And TE is of this triangle. So from this I can understand that I have to consider these two triangles BCE, this triangle, and BTE or BET, these two triangles. So what I have to consider, first of all we have to judge it and then we will go on. Now in these two triangles, whether they are similar or not, that first of all we will see. This is a parallelogram. So this is parallel to this. This whole is parallel to this because this is just extended. If AT is parallel to DC and this is their transversal, see it is like this, and here is the transversal. This point T and this point D, these two angles are alternate angles. So that we have to mention BT. First of all, I will say AB parallel DC. Sides of a parallelogram. Sides of a parallelogram. Therefore, AB means I can call it as AT parallel DC. Reason, instead of saying AB, I can say AT because B is in between A dash B dash T. Purposely I am writing this theorem elaborately because this is an important theorem and many students get confused in this theorem. Okay. And if these two are parallel, this DT is the transversal. DT is their transversal. Okay. Therefore, which angles are congruent? I have seen here just this T and this D angle ATE or BTE, angle ATE congruent, ATD I will say, ATD because this whole thing I am taking is congruent to angle TDC. TDC. Reason, alternate angles. Alternate angles are congruent. That is, instead of saying ATD, I can say BTE. BTE congruent angle. Instead of saying TDC, I can say EDC. EDC. Reason is A dash B dash T and T dash E dash T dash E dash D. So any name we can take, or you can say same angles with different names. If this is somewhat difficult for you, you write same angles with different names. This I will give as number 1. This is your number 1. Okay. Now I will consider, first of all, these angles are same that I have proved. Now I will consider the triangles. In triangle, which two triangles? These two triangles. B, T, E and triangle, that name I will take CDE. CDE. Whatever the name at this step you want, you can take. But when you are writing they are similar, that time the correspondence should be proper. What is equal? Angle BTE congruent angle EDC. EDC from 1. From 1. Okay. So this one thing I have proved, this and this angle is congruent. Now which is another? I can prove that this C and this B, they are congruent, or but this is very simple. These are the vertical opposite angles. This way, the vertically opposite angles. So angle, name of this I will take CED. Angle CED. Congruent angle, this name I will take BET. BET. And the reason is vertically opposite angles. In the exam you will write the full form, not that VOA. Therefore, triangle BTE similar triangle. Now this name BTE I have taken anyhow. But now this name I have to take in the sequence. B, I don't know with whom this B is equal. That I will keep blank. With this T, V is equal. With this T, D is equal. So D. T is at the second position. D is also at the second position. E of this angle is equal to E of that angle. That is at the last E. Now of that triangle, this BT is over. Now of that triangle, who is remaining? That name I will write. Who is remaining? C is remaining. So here I will write C. This way you have to think, because many students struggle in taking the names, writing this correspondence. Reason is A test. A test for similarity. For similarity. That way you have to write. If these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the corresponding sides is same. Therefore, BT upon CD is equal to TE upon last two names DE is equal to, now jump it, BE upon CE, and the reason is corresponding sides of similar triangle CSST. BT upon CD is equal to TE upon DE is equal to BE upon CE. Out of that, what I want, that I will write. Now I will see what the proof is needed. So this much part, this I will make some place over here to write the next remaining thing. Okay. Do I want the name BT? No. So no question of this. This part I don't want. BT and CD, they are not asking this. T, yes. D, yes. B, yes. C, yes. Now, that means this much part I want. Therefore, from this step I will write, therefore, TE upon BE is equal to BE upon CE. Therefore, now I will do the cross multiplication, whichever I want that I will take this side. B and BE, this I want this side. Therefore, BE into BE is equal to then CE into TE. CE into TE is proved. Is proved. This way you can write the theorem. This theorem is very important, that's why I have taken it very elaborately. And one again, another one theorem is means the proof is very essential. This proof is essential proof. Then another one is the ninth proof. That is also very important, and students struggle in that proof. So this is all with this question number 7. Hope that you have written this along with me. So I will give you some time. You can write it. Figure you might have written, drawn it. Figure would have been completed. So I will rub this part. Now, the last one question number 9, very important question. You mark in that question 9. It is a VIP person, very important person. So I will write I. Important. The question I will draw first. A, B, D, and this is C. D is a point on the figure such that in triangle ABC, what is that question that I will write? In triangle ABC, point D on the side BC is such that point D on side BC is such that angle BAC, see that angle BAC, congruent angle ADC. Prove that. Prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. CB into CD. This I have to prove. For such proofs, what is needed, which triangle I have to consider, that I have to take first. CA square means CA, this side I want. CA square means CA into CA. Means there should be two triangles whose CA is same. Then CB into CD. CB into CD. CB is the side of this bigger triangle. CD is the side of this smaller triangle. So which two triangles I have to consider? AC is fixed for both of them. Triangle ADC I have to consider and triangle BAC I have to consider, because BC into CD, BC is the side of this bigger triangle and CD is the side of this smaller triangle. So this smaller triangle I have to consider and this bigger triangle I have to consider. Don't forget this. In triangle, bigger triangle is, say suppose BAC or ABC. In triangle ABC and triangle, names whatever you want you can take. With this A, this D is equal D, and this DCA I will say suppose. I don't know. The sequence I will maintain afterwards. I will not waste my time in maintaining the sequence in the initial condition. Okay. What is equal? Angle BAC congruent angle. What is given? ADC. This is given. Now this bigger triangle and this smaller triangle, angle C is same. So I will write angle ACB for the bigger triangle is congruent angle ACD for the smaller triangle. Angle ACB congruent angle ACD. Reason is common angle. Common angle. Therefore, now this is A, this is A, angle. Therefore, triangle ABC similar triangle. Now I have to maintain the sequence. A of this bigger triangle is equal to D of this smaller triangle. So from D I will start. Then bigger triangles C and smaller triangles C. This is in the third position. I will keep this blank. And in the third position of this I will take this C. So for this smaller triangle, two places are completely filled. Which is the one remaining? A is remaining for the smaller triangle, and that place I will fill here. Reason is AA test. AA test. How I am filling, that way you just take care of this. How I am taking this A of bigger triangle is equal to D of the smaller triangle. Then C I know. C of the bigger triangle and C of the smaller triangle. This C is at the third place. This C will be also written in the third place. One place will be vacant. So which is that remaining? A is remaining. So I have written that vertex A. Therefore, now from this, what I can write? AB upon AB first two names. So BA is equal to BC last two names. So AC is equal to, now jump, AC upon BC. Out of this, reason I will write immediately corresponding sides of similar triangles. Out of this, what I want, whether I want AB and DA, I will see. ABD I don't want, so I won't write this. I will write this much part. Therefore, BC upon AC. Now they have written CA, so I will write CA is equal to this also CA upon, whether is it BC? No, they have written CD. Is this clear? Therefore, now I will do the cross multiplication. CA into CA will be CA square is equal to, now this BC, that BC also they want CB. I will write CB, or afterwards also you can make it. There is CB into CD. Hence proved. Not HENS, HENCE. Hence proved. if you say HENS, hens means कोंबड्या prove झाल्या. So this way, this second part is also over, means this exercise 1.3. So next we will see afterwards the next questions in the subsequent. So all the best.